Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. This video is to bring you a closer look at the Hudson 724066 extension assembly. And this is a part that's used in the 13194 backpack sprayer. And this video is to simply provide visual evidence of the unit, a little bit of dimensional evidence as well. Okay. Overall length, looks like it's about 22 3/4 inch. Diameter of this, what I believe to be a fiberglass tube, is about 3/8 of an inch. Now, this video is really only providing visual evidence of it. However, we can switch to the screen view and take a look at the parts drawing as well. So let's do so now. Okay, so here is indeed the item that we're looking at. Not much to see here, but the parts diagram is here. And from there, we can certainly pull up our 724066 extension assembly and shows you the components included therein. 13194 commercial backpack parts breakout for this sprayer. Available parts are over here. We don't stock everything on this page, but we do stock the lever assembly. We stock the arm operation assembly. I believe we have the hose assembly in stock, obviously the extension assembly. So we have, half of the items that are listed on here in terms of the primary groups. Now below this video as well is a link to the manufacturer's page that we can see here that will allow you to review not only all of the Hudson products that we sell, but also a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the full product catalog. Let's wrap up this video on camera. In conclusion, if you need help with a replacement part for that 13194 backpack sprayer or anything by Hudson, feel free to let us know. Those folks are very agreeable, very easy to work with, very helpful. While these parts have a lead time to them, they will faithfully fulfill the order, allowing you to continue to get useful service out of the probably significant investment in spray equipment. Any questions on the Hudson 724066 extension assembly or any other Hudson product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.